Food entrepreneurs, listen up. You might be making a simple mistake that's costing you thousands. Here's a bold claim. If you have a team helping you, you're probably underbilling, almost guaranteed. So, where's all that money going? Well, it's hiding in how you calculate your labor. Okay, mistake number one, you're just counting clock hours. This one's a big deal. The rule is actually pretty simple. You need to count person hours, not just clock hours. So, what's the difference, really? Let's break it down with a quick example. Okay, let's say you've got a 4-hour catering gig, and you bring one assistant with you. You look at the clock, and you see 4 hours, so that's what you bill for, right? But wait a minute, don't forget, there were 2 of you working that whole time. So that's not 4 hours of labor, it's actually 8 person hours. A huge difference. And here's where it really hits your wallet. Just look at the difference in cost. That's $72 you just left on the table. And that's just on one single job. All right, let's talk about the next money leak. So many people mix up supplies and overhead. Things like foil, gloves, and packaging, these are job-specific costs. They belong with that job. You see, job costs are variable. Overhead is fixed. It's so important to keep them separate. Because if you mix them up, you're going to mess up every single quote you send out. Okay, one last quick fix. This is for teams where everyone's paid a different rate. You've got to figure out your blended rate before you quote the job, not after. So there you have it, 3 quick fixes that can immediately stop a major money leak. And look, this isn't about raising your prices. It's about finally getting paid for your work.